A good way to celebrate, Anna. As we take a look at what's going on out the door this evening, of course, it was rocking and rolling earlier this afternoon. We had a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings in the upstate. Fortunately, I haven't received any damage reports from anyone nor have we heard of anything that happened from these thunderstorms. So that's the good news there. But a lot of you running for cover. The good news is things have really quieted down right now. So if you're headed to bed in the next little while, you don't have to worry about any thunder waking you up in the next few minutes. As we take a look at the temperatures out the door this evening, we've dropped down into the 70s and mid 70s for most of us in the upstate, except for downtown Greenville, where you're at 80 degrees. Upper 60s, low 70s up through the mountains, and will continue to drop as we look towards tomorrow morning. So we're waking up to those temperatures in the mid 60s up across the mountains. We're closer to that 70-degree mark, though, up into the upstate, which is what we've seen the last couple of mornings across the area. It does indicate that it's a little on the humid side, especially through the upstate and northeast Georgia. The closer to 70 your temperature is in the morning, the more humid it is out the door. We do have a lot of sunshine expected for tomorrow morning, except for in the mountains when you could see a little bit of patchy fog tomorrow morning. It's not necessarily going to be a widespread issue, but it's certainly something to keep in mind as you plan your day ahead for your Monday. By the time we get to noon, we're up to 83 degrees with a lot of sunshine through the morning, and then we'll start to see that cloud cover build up a little bit, becoming partly cloudy into the afternoon with a small chance for a few showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. We've got 87 degrees by 4 o'clock tomorrow, and then as we look towards the evening hours, we drop those temperatures back into those lower 80s, about 80 degrees by 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. Those temperatures are going to continue to be on the warm and humid side because after all, it is still the end of August, there we go, the end of August, and it is summer after all. So we're going to see those temperatures topping out around 90 degrees up through the upstate and northeast Georgia, with 91 in Anderson tomorrow afternoon, 90 in Spartanburg down to Union, into Greenville, and as well as into Toccoa. And then as you look up into North Carolina, a little bit cooler up into the mountains for you. Get 87 in Bryson City and Franklin, with 84 tomorrow afternoon in Asheville. And in terms of those rain chances for tomorrow, it's pretty similar to what we've seen the last couple of days. Of course, today we saw a little better coverage of those storms than we saw yesterday. Yesterday was more isolated. Today we saw a few more of those. I do think we're kind of somewhere in the middle as we head into the day tomorrow with those pop-up showers and thunderstorms likely going to pop up somewhere across our area tomorrow afternoon. We'll see how that all plays out once we get into the later part of the day. So just be prepared to deal with that tomorrow afternoon. And anything that we do see pop up could be on the stronger side. Gusty winds and small hail would be the biggest issue there. We keep that elevated rain chance into the day on Tuesday as well. A little better chance, I think, on Tuesday afternoon. And then Wednesday and Thursday, nice and quiet out there. A lot of sunshine. The trade-off there is that it's going to be hot. As we take a look at temperatures, we're in the low 90s in the upstate all the way through Thursday, dropping maybe a degree or two on Friday into the upper 80s, and then we get a little relief into next weekend. But you notice the trade-off is we get better rain chances there as well. In the mountains, we're in the mid 80s all the way through Thursday as well, with a lot of sunshine there, and then backing off just a little bit for the weekend into the upper 70s to right around 80 degrees.